Timberline magazine, June edition, 2016. Check it out. Towards the back there, they got some articles on the company I work for. So yeah, check it out. Talks about what we do a little bit. Many of you guys have seen the couple pictures in there maybe because I throw them up on YouTube. But check out the Timberline June edition magazine. They got an article about us, kind of gives background to the company, how my father-in-law got started and all that. So check out the June edition. This yoke that goes up and down with chains on it. This shaft that holds it's broke. It's got two cylinders, one there and one over there that it rides up and down on. But that shaft that holds it there, so had to take the cover off, take the bearing covers off, and this bolts to the inside, and then them ends get welded on. So we'll work that out of there. Got a new one sitting in the truck, and we'll try to get it done today. And trying hard. This shaft bolts in on each end, and then you weld the plates to the shaft. So when you get it in there, it's really tight to get out. So I'm trying to get it out right now. She ain't coming. Slasher set up. There. Things are in there so tight, getting them out is a mess. We're close now. Out here, just ready to set in, gotta do a little grind and let her slip in there real easy. Bearings ready to go on. She's work. This holds all the chains for that top drum, it floats up and down. So all the way to that whole drum's around that shaft holding it in place, and the ends right here break off sometimes. I don't know how big that shaft is. It's 5 inches probably. So get it thrown together, get a little firewood out of here, logs stacked up. No trucks right now. Get this thrown there, we're ready to go. Paul's got the hand grinder. We just got to put that bearing on before we get too low. I wish I had a camera recording Paul, recording us. It'd be awesome. He's working the angles up a little bit. He just lost tonight. Kind of thing like that. Okay, Yep, I got it.
Straighten the tap a little bit. Get the hammer there now. I'll get it started and then I'll fix that there.
Copy. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Always going to put the grease to them when we get her sitting down in the housing.
There we go.
Quite seriously.
Serious grease action.
Serious grease.
Pretty much started.
Yeah, that one started.
Run it in like a couple threads so I can twist on it, see if that'll help us at all. So it doesn't just pop out and lose what we already have.
Chain guard that protects that feed door chain. The guard broke off. Welding it back on. You can see the flail chains behind them. Pretty sweet. Whew. Done nothing but work on this chipper. Got that put in. You get it greased up. Couple more cubes. Got that shaft for that yoke put in there. Welded up that cover. And then going to be done. They're all nasty, dirty from that grease from that yoke. But we'll go check her out. See what we got going on. Should be in there. Got her put in there. Probably just filling her up with some grease. Put them covers back on her. New shaft in there. Loosen up those bearings a little bit. And then we'll call it a day. All done. Shaft is all replaced in there. Cam's finishing up the welding. Me and Polly put the covers, bearings, all back on. Polly's ready to go home. It's Friday, about 4:30, almost 5 o'clock. We'll head back home. We're working about an hour away from home right now, so we'll be getting home till probably 6, and then Liberty, my daughter there, she turns 5 today, so birthday party. Family coming over. So I gotta get home, get all cleaned up. I'm all kinds of greased up, so get home, get cleaned up. Start all again next week. Hopefully it goes good as this week. This good week this week. Normal we put in. So some serious logs stacked up. Log trucks broke down. So that's how it goes. You get on a big log, nice log job, and the log truck breaks down. So.
Good job, Libby.
Is it an ice cream cake?
No, not that.
Kind of.
With pudding in the middle.